Hello everyone, just yesterday I talked about the new features in the Samsung Galaxy A51 and today I have also got this update on my Samsung Galaxy A71. Galaxy A71 has got a handful of amazing new features including a number of camera features. Before I talk further, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hit the like button too, and the like target for this video is just 1000 likes. Alright, so here is my A71 with the newest One UI 2.1 running on the top. I did not get this as the over-the-air update. I have manually flashed the Indian ROM on my phone which brings these new features. So if you haven't got this update in your region, keep patience and you will get this soon. First of all, I see a huge boost in the performance of this phone. It was clocking a score of 231K in the Antutu app previously and now it hits over 249K, almost 250K, so things have definitely improved here. Whatever score you were getting at your end previously, you may just add 20,000 more points to that. In terms of the new features, this update first of all brings a number of new camera features. The moment you open the camera application, you find a single take feature on the left side. Single take in a few seconds captures up to 10 images or video clips from different angles and automatically applies effects and makes them ready for sharing on any social media platform. It works for both the front and the rear cameras and you are taking a look at how it works. A71 also gets the quick recording feature. There is no need for you to switch to the video mode now. Just pull the phone out of your pocket, launch the camera and long press the shutter button to start recording a video straight away. So how does the burst shot work now? Well, the burst shot works by pressing, holding and dragging the shutter button to the lower left corner of the screen. And you can also change this behavior. Samsung has also added My Filters feature to the Galaxy A71. You can now create a filter out of any image by extracting its colors through the My Filters feature. It gives you some images by default to test this feature and you can also add images from your phone's gallery. A71's video mode has now got electronic image stabilization for the 4K video recording. To be honest, this was the only thing that was keeping the A71 behind the Mi Note 10 Lite, and I think now this phone takes the lead. The hyperlapse mode has now got the night hyperlapse. Just make sure that the phone is mounted on a tripod or on a gimbal when you're trying to shoot a night hyperlapse. It works by pressing this little night mode button at the top of the screen in the hyperlapse mode. The biggest change in my opinion is in the Pro mode of the phone. Earlier, the A71 had only 3 options in the Pro mode which were quite useless. Now, you can change the ISO. The minimum value for ISO is 50 and it goes all the way up to 800. And also you can change the shutter speed which goes all the way down to 1/24,000. And the maximum shutter speed here is 10 seconds. You can also change the white balance. You can change the entire color tone of the images, set the focus to auto or manual, and also change the exposure value manually. The Video Pro mode and option to switch the lenses in the Pro mode is still missing here. And I really wish Samsung brings that in a future update. The camera app further gets a smart selfie angle feature. This feature will automatically switch to a wide selfie or normal selfie depending on the number of people you are trying to adjust in a single frame. Apart from the camera features, another brand new feature in this phone is a music share, which will let you connect 2 or more Samsung phones with the same Bluetooth device or speaker at the same time. Remember that this will not play music simultaneously from different devices. When you try to play music from another device, it will pause the first device and play the music from the second device, but the devices will remain connected to the same sound source. There is a new quick share feature. This is basically the old smart share feature introduced under a new name. This will let you share big files in just a matter of a few seconds with any other Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Quick Share I think works on the mechanism of Wi-Fi sharing. In the Gallery app of the phone, you get a quick collage video feature. Just select a few images or videos and the phone will automatically create a collage video out of it. The Smart Group feature will group all similar images and let you delete them or cut copy at once. A71 also gets its own dedicated AR zone application with a lot of goodies on board. Personally, I am not really a fan of these AR features, so you may just try them on your own once you get this update. The fingerprint scanner of the phone can now appear on the always on display, and there is a slight change in the animation too. Rest of the features remain the same on this phone. That's all for now. If you have noticed any new feature in this handset which I have not talked about here, make sure to mention it in the comments below. Like if you haven't yet, and subscribe if you are new here. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next video.